forward today to
A very good evening to you all. A famous activist, Emma Thompson, once said, and I quote, "Every single person on this earth has the power to change the world," unquote. And I repeat, every single person on this earth has the power to change the world. The Honorable Prime Minister of our country, the Ambassador of Fiji, Her Excellency Ms. Khan, the young activists, ladies and gentlemen, I am standing here to show my forceful support on the theme of climate change, leadership action in COP23. Firstly, let me define what is climate change. It is changing climate of the earth due to human activities. I repeat, due to human activities. It is not happening from few years back, but human activities from many years back has contributed towards it. Due to these activities, the temperature is rising and some natural disasters occur. Why should we care? Does it affect us? Yes, surely it does. And I repeat, yes, surely it does. It affects us and we should be more considerate on our action which contributes towards this climate change. The issue of the concern is the rise of sea level. The harmful gas such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide makes the ozone layer thin and thus the harmful rays from sun reaches the earth and melts the polar regions, which increases the sea level. The Pacific Island countries are greatly affected from it as these are small islands. Trees take in carbon dioxide, but when people cut down trees or burn forest, the carbon dioxide becomes in abundance and goes to the atmosphere where the first stage of climate change starts. To avoid this, we should pass the message to everyone of not burning forest but planting trees when one cuts it down. Just imagine when we grow up and notice that the tide, which before used to reach about 100 meters from my home, is now only 50 meters away. What would you do? Run away and make house at a higher level? Or say that I'll do something when it comes more closer? No, it will be too late and won't solve the problem. This is the time, dear colleagues, this is the time to act and do something which slow down the rising of sea level. The major concern is the unpredictable disasters such as hurricane. On 21st February 2016, Fiji was badly struck and extensively affected by Cyclone Winston. I repeat, Cyclone Winston. Cyclone Winston affected life of 40% of people in Fiji and leaving 44 dead, 45,000 people displaced and 350,000 directly impacted. The disaster cost the much worth of $650 million. Just imagine, ladies and gentlemen, $650 million. My community, Nasarvanga, in Bua province, which is in Fiji, was also part of this crisis, where many were homeless. 127 people of my community were situated in the evacuation center without proper supplies of food and water. Their days passed by mourning and waiting for a favorable and a better day. After 1 week, they are back at their home, starting a fresh life once again. People have gone through many crises, and in order to have a better Fiji, we need to pull our socks now. Who has to stand up for this? And I repeat, who has to stand up for this? Who is responsible for this? I ask you, ladies and gentlemen, who is responsible for this? Well, it is our action which bring about changes. Plant a tree. Walk instead of taking a car to go for a short distance. Finally, to control climate change, our school has opted for an action plan which is to plant trees. Have 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse, recycle. Use organic farm products. Create awareness campaign in communities and advocate our young generations at large. Let us together, hand in hand, start our preparation in solving a problem caused by climate change and make our country a very beautiful place to live on. And about my dressing, underneath is the ocean, on top are beautiful trees and fruits. And I am from Pacific Island country in Fiji, bringing this message to everyone, to all of you. Thank you.
Speech competition to such a global stage.